So we start off today's video with this beautiful bob undercut transformation. So she has long waist-length hair. The stylist cuts the hair into a beautiful bob and it gives her an undercut. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations. Here we have this beautiful bob haircut. The stylist is adding in some color. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. By far, one of the best haircut transformations I've found. And then we have one by Chris Jones Hair. Looks like he's also doing a signature bob style. This particular stylist is known for his amazing bob haircuts. So he's doing a classic tousled bob here, adding in some curls for the texture. Beautiful. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. So the stylist is doing another bob haircut with this one. Her hair has so much body and fullness within this bob haircut. Amazing. Next up, we see someone with long red hair, beautiful natural curly hair. So once the stylist defined the curls, he went in and cut the hair to this beautiful tapered cut. This is a very popular hair trend for natural curly hair. Beautiful color with this style as well. Next up, we have another bob haircut. hairstylist is going in with some color. Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob. I love the texture that was created. A really nice feather effect with the bangs. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks like someone is doing a bit of a big chop here. Gorgeous pixie style and hair color. Wow, she ended up going silver. Very nice. So if you guys want to see more hot hairstyle ideas, you can check out this video next.